Lift your hips up high and stretch your back like a happy, playful dog.
Arch your back just like a cat on your comfy yoga mat. Puppy dog is stretching down, paws are touching on the ground. Breathing out and breathing in, let the happy games begin.
Lie on your tummy, hold your ankles, and stretch like a curved bow.
Twirl around like falling snow, gently to the ground below. Sparkling ice and winter breeze, dancing.
Sit down, lift your feet, and get ready to row your little boat.
Watch the magic shapes we make. One leg lifts and ice skate flies, reaching for the winter skies. Like a tall tree standing strong, where our peaceful hearts belong. Stretching out with happy willow, the joy.
Balance carefully on one leg and stretch gracefully like a beautiful dancer.
Like a flamingo, take it easy, nice and slow. Breathe the magic in the air, sending kindness everywhere. Stand up tall, a snowman bright, made of magic pure and white. Breathe the chilly, frosty air.
Balance on one
Winter
foot
magic
and grow your branches up high like a
Stretch
tall
your
tree.
paws, a polar bear, walking slowly from your lair. Warm and cozy in the chill, walking down the snowy hill. Like a tall tree standing strong, where our peaceful hearts belong.
Open your legs and make a big, strong triangle shape with your body.
Step up brave and be a hero. Fears are dropping down to zero. Warrior arms reach out so wide, feeling super strong inside. Looking up towards the sun, yoga time is
Stand
so
strong and brave with your arms stretched out
so
wide.
bright, just like a star, sending light out very far. Arms and legs are open wide, feeling warm and safe inside. Suited like a happy snake, gently resting by the lake. Lift your chest and look around.
Lie on your tummy and lift your chest up high with a big smile.
Pile just like a frog, sitting on a little log. Ribbit, ribbit, hop and play, stretching in a happy way.
Arch your back up high and stretch like a soft, sleepy cat.
Roar out loud just like a lion, strong and brave, we keep on trying. Deep breath in and let
Curl
it
up into a
out.
little ball
That's what
and take a
yoga's
quiet,
all
peaceful rest.
about. Butterfly wings flutter high, painting colors in the sky. Sitting down and folding feet, making our routine complete. Every stretch a brand new day, chasing worries far away.
Lie on your back and lift your tummy up to make a strong, safe
Making
bridge.
our whole body whole. Breathe in deep, let out a sigh. Wave the busy day goodbye. Peaceful heart and happy mind, leave the buzzing world behind. Resting now, so soft and still, on our quiet mat.
Stand strong and brave with your arms stretched out wide.
Namaste.
Open your legs and make a big, strong triangle shape with your body.
Reach for the sky so bright. Touch your toes with all
Lie
your
down flat,
might.
close your
Deep
eyes,
breath in
and feel
gentle
completely
flow.
calm and relaxed.
Watch your happy spirit grow like a tall